Hey, what's up, Blake? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for texting me your email earlier and just speaking to me really quick. In this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lawnsmith, only because when you type in roofing Fort Worth, they show up at the top. And I know that you're in Bridgeport. The only reason I'm not using Bridgeport for this video is it's a smaller town. It's about 6,000 people, but the tips I'm going to give you in this video will apply to Bridgeport as well if you don't want to go as big as going to Fort Worth. Now you're probably asking yourself, Devin, why would you even make this video for me? It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of business owners that are specifically roofers. They're so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So what I started doing was just creating these attack plans, and just giving them away. Now, lots of people take this information and they just do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people call me back and have me do it for them. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm only here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, you did a great job on your website. I don't know if you designed this yourself or you hired somebody, but it's a very, very clean website. I love the simple blue, white, and gray. Very easy to follow. You've got your call to action as soon as you land on the page, or your phone number, click to call button, which is really great for converting leads. And then you've got your chat widget that follows them around. So fantastic job on the design. Now, what Google cares about when it comes to ranking is all of your content right here. The average website on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of written content. So if I go and I copy all of your content, I paste in this word counter, you can see you're almost there. So great job on that. You're at 1,257. If you're at, I don't think Lawnsmith even has that money. They are at 1,055. So you're doing a great job. You're smoking them. But by getting yourself to 1,500 words, it's going to allow you to fit in more keywords. A keyword is a phrase someone commonly types into business, such as, like, for example, Fort Worth Roofing Company. They put that's a keyword they're trying to fit in here. If I copy that and I paste it in yours, though, you don't have that keyword anywhere. And that's fine. I pulled up some other keywords you can use. For this video, I'm using roofing Fort Worth because 500 people search that every single month. And they're obviously looking for roofing. So if I take this keyword and I paste it, you can see you don't have that one anywhere on your page either. So make sure you fit in keywords in there. And also, if you don't want to do Fort Worth, like I said, if you want to do Bridgeport, you can just put like roofing Bridgeport roofing contractors. There you go. Good job. So you have roofing Bridgeport at least once here. I would if you're gonna use that keyword though, make sure you put it at least one more time up here. Let's see. Do you have it in here? You've got it there. Nice. And then last thing is you want to save your images as keywords too. So you've got you can save that as like roofing Bridgeport, and that'll also help you rank. And then you can change different keywords for the different images you have on your page. So like, oops. Yeah, like oh, what happened? What did I do? Give me one sec. All right, sorry about that. Yeah, these images down here, you can save these images. I can't check those, but yeah, multiple images you can save as keywords. Anyways, that's all I got for you as far as content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power with other like roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahref. You don't have to pay for this tool. If you Google backlink checker, you can see the same information. And it says you have 15 websites linking to you, while Lawnsmith has 333 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I would just copy them, because if these 333 websites are good enough to rank them, they're going to be good enough to rank you too. And so I would go one by one to each of these websites and put a link on each one back to my own page the same way they did. And there's different ways to do it, but a lot of times it's really simple. Like I pulled up these 3, for example. Angie, you join their pro network for free. Yellow Pages, you create a free account. Super Pages, you join for free. And once you join these different directories or these different just websites, you can put a link in your profile back to your website, and that simply you have a backlink. So it's pretty simple to do. It just takes time to go through each one. But once you beat them with content, plus you beat them with backlinks, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked #1 organically here and start getting all the free calls that come with being there. I've got one last tip for you. It's how to show up in the map section. If you want to be #1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like GAF, Better Business Bureau, Angie, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Lawnsmith was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and add a bunch on top. So if Lawnsmith was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Blake. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you're going to want 1,500 words of content on your homepage with as many keywords as possible in there. Just don't stuff them, but fit it throughout. That's why you want extra content. You want to take the websites that are linking to Lawnsmith and put them back, or get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Lawnsmith. If you follow these 3 tips, Blake, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google. Now, you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. The sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do. If you have any questions or you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great speaking to you earlier, Blake. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome day. See ya.